To get married, I love to get married. But I think it's too hard to find someone who is your soulmate. Soulmate, a person who can live with you, make a friend with you, and you can enjoy every minute of your life with her or with him. It is really hard to find a soulmate nowadays. When you want to get married, you need to be ready financially, you need to be ready mentally and emotionally. Mentally, emotionally, and financially, you need to be ready to choose your soulmate. Choose means select. Nowadays, most of young people are single. They prefer to stay single. Well, there are lots of reasons, my friends stay single because they think girls are too demanding and they expect a lot. They are too expecting, or they're too demanding. Yeah.